Broken hang glider.
High-altitude gliding is so much fun. I'll do a quick warm-up flight first.
Whoa!
Here we go! Oh no! My wings!
Oh my goodness! What happened?
I'm so sorry, Tinkerbot. I don't know what went wrong. I was just about to take off, and then this happened.
I see. Don't worry. I'll help you put everything back together. Let's head into the repair shop. First, I'll assemble the frame. Now, let's put on the wheels. Next, the wings.
I'm afraid my wings are torn.
Don't worry, I'll fix them right up. The wings need a little stitching. Now, let's clean off those stains. I'll add an engine for you. And a propeller too. All done. You look brand new.
Wow! I love it! Thank you, Tinkerbot.
Wonderful. Remember to check your parts regularly. That's the best way to stay safe.
Yes, I'll check them often. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Now, let me take you to the hilltop for takeoff.
Here I go! Time to fly in the blue sky again.